Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and install one of our low pro integrated tail lights. It's got run function, brake, and also your turn signals all in one light. So I'm going to go through the install on that right now. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and take 2 screws out of your tail light, one on each side. And once you got both of those out, the tail light will come back a little bit. You want to go ahead and disconnect the wire and the tail light's out. Alright guys, so we're ready to go ahead and install our integrated tail light. It's mostly plug and play. The only thing you'll have to do is add 2 connectors on here. Go ahead and put some posi taps on both the left and the right blinker wires. They're going to be labeled for you so you know which one's which. So the posi taps, just put this end on here. The wire that's already stripped, you'll notice on the posi tap, one end is kind of flat and then the other end actually has a prick point on it. The prick point is the one that you're going to want to go into the wire on the OEM harness. So again, here we're going to use the dollar point. Here you just screw these right to it, and we'll do that on both our left and right blinker wires. Ready to hook our integrated light up. So what we'll need to do is on the posi taps, you'll want to hook up your right to the blue and brown wire, and then you want to hook up your left to the blue and purple wire. You can see I have that end of the posi tap on the blue-brown wire, and then we're going to go ahead and screw in our right turn signal wire to it. And we're going to find the left wire, and we're going to find the blue and purple. And again, run your posi tap in. And one thing that's recommended you do is check all the functions before you button this all up, just to make sure you did tap the right wires. Left blinker, right blinker, and your brake. Alright, so after you got your posi taps on here, you go ahead and reconnect that wire into the harness, and then go ahead and connect the wire from the integrated light into the connection here. And then just kind of tidy up your wires, tuck everything in, reinstall using the 2 screws that you took out from earlier.